Did you know a man saved Korea after Korea tried to destroy him? Yi Sun-sin built the world's first ironclad warships in the 1590s. Armored, low, and nearly impossible to sink, he used them to stop Japan's invasion fleet again and again. Then his own government turned on him. Court rivals convinced the king he was a traitor. He was arrested, tortured, and stripped of every rank he had ever earned. They sent him to fight as a common foot soldier. Then Japan invaded again. The Korean Navy was nearly gone. 333 Japanese warships were moving up the coast. The king had no one left to call except the man he had already broken. Yi Sun-sin was given command of what remained, 13 ships. He sailed out anyway. At the Battle of Myeongyang in 1597, those 13 ships turned the Japanese fleet back. The current, the geography, and one man's refusal to quit did what an entire navy could not. The country tried to erase him. History refused.